Lamphang ka Ïingdorbar thau an jong ka jala mekhlaya Thomas A Sangma ulapan pau bo sohon Satia ya ka ya ka kam ka Jingtrei ya ka Ïingdorbar thau an ka Thymmai jong ka jala mekhlaya hapo New Shillong Usangma ulia thu ba uran ban jurip ya ka Jingtrei mata ka singi rangkat ki officer jong ka mekhlaya list assembly ba ulalap ba ka Jingtrei ka long ka Suki hadu kata habala kali ki daw jong ka Jingslam na kalyang jong speaker ulia thu pakadaw jog Jingslam kadai na marketing Islam Palat kitiar hakabala wan kit nadu don jala Maharashtra
I'm not very happy with
lalu ka jingon kit nakajaga ka pajangai speaker la ai dawru bagawi ni kidaw kala baliru nakajing snaya kan jiking na po dam site nakaba nakani ka jiking umla banyai ba banyai nagui ka jaka ba kani kala pelong kitiar ban Islam manaklan ju ula ong bo umli pejurip makapor skapor ka jingtai kani ka yung batawan ka boleh tu bementa ka Lamphang ba ka right wing ladak ka bakandai 4% naik ka benta ka bakong san ne ka beri hapeng ka ban pelong ka Ïingdorbar lan di ka central hall bakadi ka bentaru ka ba Thymmai ka jaga ju udum ubertuano akhiri snap ki baladep dia ulah kami lenti baka jingtai ni udum lan di ka benta ka bang tun Muhammad pedang on pendap no au benai leber menta ka snap baru kami lenti baka jing pendap ya yang batawan kembalabu kan pendap au benai lailur jong snap ubmentah
the site inspection today. I'm not very happy with the progress of work, frankly speaking. So I've asked them to expedite the progress, but then there are certain we discussed about the issues, certain issues, the payments and the materials, delay in the materials coming on, because as you all know, the new hall, the central hall where the house is being built are being on prefabricated steel, so the materials take time to come in here, and especially with this now the roads also not able to carry so much of load, so it has to go around and coming, so it's taking time for the materials to reach. But however, 50% of the materials have reached, so they can start to work. There's so many other factors because it's coming all the way from Maharashtra, so it takes time. It's not there could be so many other bridges also.
So what?
No, progress is happening, but it's slightly slow. As I said earlier, because it's because of the materials not being able to reach, because we have completed only the paneling works and are being carried out in right wing and the left wing buildings. The work is almost complete. I can say safely that it is around almost 90%. The only part remaining, the middle portion, which is the main hall, where we'll have the assembly house.
The September deadline was the...
No, September deadline is still on.
Still on, but delayed?
No, I mean, there's still time which we can finish it. So we have been assured that the house flooring will be completed by the central hall. The dome portion would be completed by March. So if that happens, I think we should be on time.
So the debris that was caused by the collapse of the dome, have that been cleared?
Cleared.
Totally, sir?
Cleared. I am taking personal, I'm interested in it, so I'm regularly going to visit and try to make sure that the work does not get delayed.